This Bluetooth speaker is really out of this world. Like to check out more about it? Stay tuned. What's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video. And in today's video we are looking into a wireless speaker, Gravastar Venus. Honestly speaking, when you see it first time, you feel like it's out of this world. And it is actually. This little speaker pounds so much of bass out of it, you feel like wow. Come in multiple color ranges as well as in designs too. I will leave a link for all of them in the video description so you can check them out. Now honestly speaking guys, I have really not seen a speaker looking like that one, and the quality it brings out, it totally looks like a science and fiction thing actually. A proper robot coming from Star Wars. Now here we have all the technical specification. If come with a battery life of 1500 milliampere hours, which will give you 10 hours of playtime at a 65% of the volume. Power supply which you're going to use to charge this Bluetooth speaker would be 5 volt at 1 ampere, a USB-C type, so future compatibility is right in here as well. Now in terms of output power, you are getting output of 10 watts with a range of 15 meters using Bluetooth 5.0. Within my videos I tend to go extra mile showing each and everything about the product I am reviewing. This video is no difference at all. First to start with, we're going to check out what is included in the packaging, following with the demonstration. By the end of this video, without my conclusion, you will have an idea that is that product for you or not. So let's not waste too much of time and check out what is included or comes with this Venus Bluetooth speaker. Honestly speaking, as I mentioned before, unboxing of product like that is kind of tells you a story as well. Now with this Venus, you are getting one user manual. Now within the manual, you get a more detailed information about the product and how to use it. One right angle USB-C type charging cable. Now in last but not least, Gravastar Venus Bluetooth speaker. Now from the first look, I have to say that the Gravastar have really put a good effort in build quality of this speaker. It actually looks out of this world. On the back of a speaker, you have a metal case with the passive radiator, an insert for the hook, and a 10 watt outputting line driver. Now complete body around the speaker is made of aluminum alloy and zinc. On the top of the speaker you have a volume control, which you can see they are rubbery as well, and the two buttons which will help you to power up this Bluetooth speaker as well as put in a Bluetooth mode as well. Now in the front of the speaker there is a LED rim light which lights up, give you a really good impression, and the feet of the speaker also come with the rubbers which will make sure when it's pounding a bass it doesn't move at all. USB-C port for the charging the speaker is available under the base, and you can also get an idea that why they provided a right angle USB-C port, so you can play with it, charge it while it's playing music. Now process of pairing this Bluetooth speaker with your mobile phone is easy and straightforward. Once you power it up,
ready to pair.
you're also going to hear the audible notification as well. And you automatically get the pairing request on your mobile phone too. But if you do not get a request for pairing, go down into your Bluetooth settings. Now in the settings within available devices, you should be able to locate Gravastar Venus. Click on it and click pair button.
Bluetooth connected.
And you're also going to hear the audible notification on Bluetooth speaker as well. Well, now it's time for the audio performance where I will be playing some royalty free music from YouTube, and I would highly recommend every one of you to use earphones if possible. Well, I suppose that should be enough to show you around this Bluetooth speaker. Now, you can let me know in the comment section down below that what you think about it in terms of the way the build quality is and the design of it, as well as the sound output. Cannot compare this speaker with the speaker which I've been comparing in the past actually, because most of them got a very high outputs, but for the size and the quality you are getting, that is a fantastic gift, to be honest with you, for your loved ones who are interested and wanted to have a kind of hobby of collecting some science fiction stuff, you know, Star Wars kind of a things actually. This is kind of a gift for my son actually, guys, and it's not only one of them. I ordered two of them for him actually. One is a Venus and the other one which is a Mars by Gravastar. Pretty decent one, guys. I'm going to do a video review for that as well, so stay tuned for that one too. Now that will be completely all from my side, guys. Thank you again for watching this video. If you still have any more questions about this speaker, let me know in the comment section down below. See ya then, guys. Bye for now.